has managed to hook another muskie, and we don't know what the heck we're going to do with this one, because he's about 3 times as big.
Good God!
And if he comes to the surface here, maybe we'll get an idea of what I'm talking about.
Big around his mother.
Oh Lord, looks like orca. Okay. Just hold him. Hope you don't break your rod.
God damn!
Oh my goodness! Oh Lord. Well, just let him fight it out. It might take you 20 minutes or so here. I guess we'll get a picture when he surfaces here. Man. Holy cow. Don't let him break your rod. Don't let him. Oh my God, his tail. This one's tail is bigger than the other one's. Eee. Okay. I think he's pulling the boat for us here. Looks like the old man in the sea.